You guys, stop trading time for money. Start building passive income. Oh, let's get real for a second. Do you know people are making 10,000 per month? I mean 10,000 US dollars per month with passive income streams. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can make it too step by step in a guide. I know there are some people who are like, wow, which $10,000? Do you have it? Have you gotten it? Proof. There are some people who have already started fighting within themselves. Let's get real for a second. Passive income goal for everybody, especially for people with a mindset of going for it. But here is the truth. You cannot make 10,000 US dollars before you make $10, before you make $1,000. There are ways at least there are steps you have to take. Before you run, you have to crawl. The good news is people are out there already making this 10,000 US dollars in a month. They are making even more than that through passive income streams. And guess what? I don't sleep on it. I don't sit on it. You cannot sleep and dream and you wake up, you don't practice, then you make it. I know you can do it too. I'm also on the road to do it too. If you're just starting out, focus on hitting the 10,000 US dollars a month and many more. You can do this through passive income. A step makes it a step, and at the same time, you climb the stairs. And guess what, you guys? Can we just start right now and focus on hitting this money? First, let us scale up. It's not about being possible or about not being possible. We know this is achievable if you take the right steps. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to do it and how I'm putting my steps to make sure that I can do it. Because I've already gotten $10, I've already gotten $100, I've already gotten $10,000. So it means you can make even more than that. Let's break it down. What is passive income? When you hear people talk about passive income, what do you think? Let's break it down. Passive income is money you earn with little to no ongoing efforts, without any investment. It's not about working hard. It's about working smarter and smart. The goal is to set up systems that generate income while you sleep. It sounds so amazing, right? Me, when I sleep, I always waiting to see how much I've earned. But remember, building passive income takes time. It takes efforts and it takes strategy up front. The payoff through is life-changing, whether you like it or not. Yes, now you have known it. Let's get into the step-by-step guide to build passive income, since you've known what passive income is all about. This one, when we start building, it will actually bring us to the step of 10,000 US dollars a month or many more. How do we start now? The first way to start is this. You have to make sure that you build a blog with affiliate marketing. Blogging is one of the most proven ways to build a passive income, but most people don't know it, like the way I didn't know it before. Here is how it works. You choose a niche that you are passionate about. A niche that even if when you wake up from the sleep, you can write something. And how do you choose a niche? I always advise people to look for niche that are being paid highly as far as CPM is concerned, like personal finance, health and tech, even you can go to education. Then you discover and look for platforms that can help you build this website or blogs. Platforms like WordPress, you can go there and set up your blog. Then you write helpful SEO optimized content that attracts readers. And how will you do that? You go to ChatGPT, you go to AI, because you know the AI bots that you use. If you don't use me, I commonly use ChatGPT. Yes. So you can use ChatGPT to know exactly what is trending, what are the readers looking for, and it can go ahead and help you on how to optimize your content. You sign up for affiliate programs. What are the programs that you can go to Amazon, associate, or share, sell. These programs are very good, and the moment you sign for them, you can use their links, their products, and be posting on your blogs. Every time someone buys through your link, you earn a commission. It might take some month, or it might take some time to gain attraction or to gain traffic, but once your blog starts ranking on Google, the income can be huge. And majority of us, we don't want that foundation time. We want to start and rock and just find we are on top. The second way is to create and sell digital products if you want passive income of earning $10,000 per month. Digital products are a game changer because they require no inventory and can be sold endlessly. Think about ebooks, think about online courses, think about templates, printables. These are very many for you. And how easily can you do them? You know, we've said passive income is where you can start earning money with no or little efforts or inputs, no investment. You use ChatGPT to write ebooks. Even you can use ChatGPT to look for you trending topics. Then you go ahead and look for Canva to design your templates or planners. You go ahead and go to look for Gumroad, or this is a platform like Gumroad. It's even your own website to start now selling these products. Once your products are created, it's pure passive income now. People are making thousands of dollars a month with this strategy. So easy you can do it. The third way, it is to build a YouTube channel. Most people have not known this. I'm proudly saying it that YouTube channel is one of the passive streams of income. YouTube is a gold mine. For passive income, here is how you can get started with YouTube. You choose a niche, and I also recommend you to choose niches which are highly paid as far as CPM is concerned, and you know them already. Can you put them in the comment section? You use AI tools like ChatGPT also for video ideas and even scripts. You edit your videos with very nice tools like Pictory or CapCut. You monetize through ad sponsorship and affiliate links. It may take time also, but still, the moment you hit 1,000 subscribers, 4,000 watch hours, you start now strategizing for making $10,000 in a month. Can we go to the fourth way of making sure that you can earn $10,000 per month? It is invest in dividends and stocks. You can call them ETFs. If you have some savings, this is for other people. Investing in dividends, investing in ETFs, they can be a great way to build passive income. But is it for everybody? No, this is for the few. How do you do it? Go and research reliable companies with a history of paying dividends. Then you invest your dividends to grow your portfolio over time. As your investment is growing, so does your passive income grows. It is slower by this one. That's why I said it is not for everybody, but the steady way to build wealth. Let's see the fifth way. The fifth way is rent out property for space. Rent out property, rent out space, you can call it that. If you have extra space, you're in a house of 3 rooms, this could be a very good passive income. A spare room on you can even make this one a spare room on Airbnb. A parking spot is a busy area. Even storage space through platforms like Neighbor. Real estate is one of the most reliable ways to generate passive income, but most people don't know it. It can significantly increase your wealth over time. Now that we are here is the thing to building $10,000 a month as far as passive income is concerned. Do you think it can happen overnight? No. You have to beautify it from starting as small and being consistent, and you scale up. It's absolutely will grow, and it is possible. So let us focus on hitting this $10,000, though it is not easier. Now you guys, here we are. We have done at least this justice to tell you that 10,000 US dollars is not a simple thing, but people are making it. If you like this video, please put it in the comment section. If you have something to talk about this $10,000, put it in the comment section. Let's see you in another video.